Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to turn off chat notifications in TikTok. First, open the TikTok app on your device. Now, tap on the inbox icon, located at the bottom of your screen. There you will see the notification and messages. From the message section, choose the user you want to mute chat notifications. Now you can see the three vertical dots, located on the top right side of your screen. Tap on it. Here, toggle the mute notification on. And you will successfully turn off chat notifications from the user. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and you're able to turn off chat notifications in TikTok. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.